Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Audi A4 key battery. This easy method requires just a few common items. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and one new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This quick task should take you less than 5 minutes, getting your key fob working perfectly again in no time. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's open up your key fob. First, find the small release button located on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate easily. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently use your screwdriver to pry out the old CR2032 battery from its slot. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully place it into the compartment. Ensure the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Make sure they fit together snugly. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Lastly, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your Audi A4 key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.